Hello everyone, I'm Shaburi from hookedinloops.com. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button, and for getting updates of new videos, then please click the bell icon. Today is my crochet stitches video and I will show you how to do the shell stitch. So for this tutorial, I will be using a 4-ply acrylic yarn and a crochet hook of size 3mm. So let's begin the tutorial. We will take the yarn and at first we will make a slip knot with it. For the absolute beginners tutorial, please click the link given in the description box. Okay, after the slip knot, insert the hook in it, and then we will be doing a foundation chain of 30 chains. Okay, the number of chains should be multiple of 6. So you choose the length of the chains you want, just make sure that it's a multiple of 6. Okay, but I will be doing 30 chains for this tutorial. So we will quickly do our 30 chains, and after that we will begin the first round. Okay, so for doing that we will at first do a chain 1. Okay, after the 30 chains, this is the 31st chain and we will not consider this to be any stitch. Then we will insert the hook in the next chain and do a single crochet there. Okay, so the first single crochet done, then we will yarn over and we will skip the next 2 chains, and in the following chain we will be doing 5 double crochets. Okay, you will get the tutorial on how to do the double crochet in the description box link. So in this particular chain we are doing 5 double crochets. After that, we will skip the next 2 chains, and in the following chain we will be doing 1 single crochet. So the first shell stitch completed. We will yarn over, we will skip the next 2 chains, and in the following chain we will be doing 5 double crochets. Okay. After that, we will be skipping the next 2 chains, and in the following chain we will be doing 1 single crochet. So 2 shell stitches are completed. So we will quickly complete the next 2 shell stitches also. So 4 shell stitches are done in the same way. Now we are left with the last 3 chains. So we will be skipping the next 2 chains, and in the last chain we will be doing 1/2 shell. That is, in that particular chain we will be doing 3 double crochets instead of 5 double crochets. Okay, because if we do 5 double crochets in the last chain, then the border will be wavy instead of straight. So for straight border we are doing 1/2 shell there, so we are doing 3 double crochets. Okay, and with the last double crochet this row is completed. Now If you want, you can continue with the same color, but I'm doing a color change. So we will take another yarn and make a slip knot, and then we will take the hook and insert it in the yellow colored loop. Then we will pass the hook through the slip knot of the blue colored yarn we made, and we will draw that slip knot through the yellow loop, and we will secure it with a chain 1, and then we will cut the yellow colored yarn and after that we will tie a knot with the loose end of the blue yarn. So this is how I did the color change, and it's very easy. Okay, after that we will proceed with the round 2. In the first stitch, okay, we will be doing 1 single crochet, and then we will yarn over, and we will skip the next 2 stitches, and in the following stitch, which is the single crochet stitch, we will be doing 5 double crochets there. After that, we will be skipping the next 2 stitches, and in the following stitch, which is the third stitch of the 5 double crochet stitches, we will be doing 1 single crochet, and the first shell stitch is completed. We will skip the next 2 stitches, and in the following single crochet stitch, we will be doing 5 double crochets. We will be skipping the next 2 stitches, and in the following stitch we will be doing 1 single crochet, and the second shell stitch is also completed. So this is the pattern, that is, we will yarn over, skip the next 2 stitches, and in the following stitch we will be doing 5 double crochet stitches. And then we will be skipping the next 2 stitches, and in the following stitch we will be doing 1 single crochet. So we have done 3 shell stitches. We will quickly do the next shell stitch. At the end, we will skip the following 2 stitches, and in the last stitch we will be doing 1/2 shell. That is, in that particular stitch we will be doing 3 double crochets. Okay. And the second round is completed with this third double crochet. Now we will be doing a color change. We will take the yellow colored yarn, make a slip knot, and we will take the hook and insert it in the loop of that blue colored loop and pass it through the slip knot we made. Then we will draw the yellow slip knot through the blue loop and we will secure it with a chain 1. We will cut the blue colored yarn and we will tie a knot with the loose end of the yellow colored yarn, and the color change is completed. Okay. After that we will turn our work, and in the first stitch we will be doing 1 single crochet, and we will now skip the following 2 stitches, and in the following single crochet stitch we will be doing 5 double crochets. Okay, and the pattern remains the same. We will then skip the next 2 stitches, and in the following stitch we will be doing 1 single crochet, and the first shell stitch is completed. We will proceed with the same pattern, that is, we will yarn over, skip the next 2 stitches, and in the following single crochet stitch we will be doing 5 double crochets, and we will repeat the pattern throughout this round. Okay, after that we will be skipping the next 2 stitches, and in the following stitch we will be doing 1 single crochet, and the 2 shell stitches are completed. We will quickly complete the next 2 shell stitches and see how beautiful it's looking with the alternating colors and this pattern. Okay, so we will complete the last shell stitch by skipping the following 2 stitches and doing a single crochet in the next stitch. Then we will yarn over, skip the next 2 stitches, and in the last stitch we will be doing 1/2 shell, that is 3 double crochet in that particular stitch. Okay, and our shell stitch pattern is completed. Now if you want, you can proceed, or you can simply do a chain 1 and cut the yarn. So this was all about the shell stitch. I hope you liked this tutorial and it was easy for you to follow this pattern. If you liked this tutorial, then please hit the like button. Comment in the comment section for any queries. I will solve all your queries. My video to the fullest, and by the way, you will get some really cool crochet patterns in my website www.hookedinloops.com, so check it out. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.